Good morning, all. Welcome to the new session. Today we'll discuss gas exchange in plants. Plants require water and carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis, which are required to be reached at the leaves. The water is absorbed from the soil through the roots and then transported to leaves. The carbon dioxide gas is absorbed from air through tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These tiny pores, which are present on the surface of the leaves, are called stomata. Through stomata, the gases are exchanged. Now come to the structure of stomata. You can easily see the two bean-shaped structures, cells present at the middle. These are called guard cells. Green color structures present in the guard cells are chloroplasts. And at the middle you can see the stomatal pore. The cells surrounding the guard cells are called subsidiary cells. So you can easily make the diagram. The stomatal pores are opened when water flows into it. If stomatal pores remain open for long, there will be excess loss of water from the leaves. Water is essential for the plants, so plants will try to save the water. So what it does, the opening and closing of the stomata is regulated through guard cells. So when it is required, the stomatal pores are opened, and when it is required, the stomatal opening is closed with the help of these guard cells. Apart from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, plants also need other materials like your nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and magnesium. These materials are absorbed from the soil by the plants. Nitrogen is essential for the synthesis of our proteins. Nitrogen is taken up from the soil in the form of inorganic materials like nitrites and nitrates. Nitrogen is taken from the organic compounds prepared by bacteria like ammonia. So nitrogen can be taken up by the plants either in the form of inorganic material or organic material. If it is inorganic material, usually the fertilizers provided to the plants include various nitrates and nitrites, and the nitrogen is also taken up from the organic compounds prepared by the bacteria. Now let us discuss heterotrophic nutrition. The type of nutrition in which the organisms do not prepare their own food and depend on other organisms like plants and other animals or both for their food are called heterotrophic nutrition. For example, cow eats grass, lion eats deer, human eats both plants and animal products. So in these cases, all the organisms we can find out that they depend on others for their food. So this type of nutrition is called heterotrophic type of nutrition. In some cases, the food is eaten as whole and digested inside the body. For example, lion, cow, human, all of them eat the food material as a whole, which is digested inside the body. In some cases, the food is broken down into simpler components outside the body, and then these simpler materials are absorbed into the body. For example, bread mold, yeast, mushroom. So these usually depend on dead and decaying materials. So enzymes from the body of these are secreted into the food material. So the digestion or the breaking down of the food occurs outside the body. Then these simpler materials are taken into the body. In most of the cases, the plants and animals are killed and eaten. But in some other cases, some organisms do not kill the plant or animal, but they live on them, are called parasites. So these parasites extract the nutrients from its host